Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most eagerly awaited drones of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're passionate about aerial photography or simply love cutting-edge technology, this is the video you don't want to miss. We'll explore everything from potential features and pricing to delivery timelines and why the Mini 5 Pro could be your next must-have gadget. Remember, while we'll dive into educated speculations, all the details we discuss are not confirmed yet. So, buckle up and let's explore the future of drone technology together. The DJI Mini series has consistently raised the bar for compact drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is set to continue this tradition. As we delve into its potential features, keep in mind that DJI has a reputation for integrating high-end technology into their compact drones, so our expectations are high. Enhanced sensors and improved optics should make the Mini 5 Pro excel in low-light conditions, allowing for stunning nighttime shots and detailed imagery even during dusk or dawn. High dynamic range, HDR video support will likely be a key feature, providing richer color and contrast, making your footage look more vibrant and lifelike. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer a longer flight time compared to the Mini 4. This enhancement will likely be achieved through a combination of increased battery capacity and optimized power management systems. Battery efficiency. Expect a boost in battery efficiency, allowing you to spend more time in the air capturing those perfect shots without constantly worrying about recharging. The Mini 5 Pro is set to feature advanced transmission technology, potentially incorporating the latest in signal processing and antenna design. This means you'll enjoy extended flight distances and improved signal stability. Ergonomics. Minor design tweaks could improve the overall user experience, making the drone more comfortable to handle and operate. Prop guards and landing gear. Expect enhancements in prop guards and landing gear, providing better protection for both the drone and its surroundings. Competitive pricing. Historically, the Mini series has offered excellent value for money, and the Mini 5 Pro is likely to continue this trend. Expect a range of bundle options catering to different budgets. Third quarter 2024. Speculation suggests a release in the third quarter of 2024, a period when DJI traditionally unveils new Mini models. However, keep in mind that release dates can be subject to change due to unforeseen circumstances. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro holds immense promise with its anticipated advancements in camera technology, flight time, range, obstacle avoidance, and design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news and drone content. Your support helps us bring you the most exciting and relevant content on the latest gadgets and technology trends.